Hello everyone, today I will show you how to register your Fire Boltt Smartwatch warranty online. First, open your web browser on your phone or computer. In the address bar, type firebolt.com and wait for the website to load. Once the site opens, scroll to the very bottom of the page. Here you will find a link or option for warranty registration. Click on this link. After you click on the link, a new page will open. This page will ask you to enter your information. Make sure you fill in all the required fields carefully. The information you need to enter includes your full name, email address, and phone number. Next, you will need to provide the source of purchase, product type, and product name. Then enter the date of purchase, your order ID, and the serial number of the smartwatch. Once you have entered all the details, check them again to make sure everything is correct. After verifying your information, click on the Submit button. Your warranty registration request will be sent to the Fire Boltt team for review. The support team will review the details you have submitted. Once your registration is approved, you will receive a confirmation from Fire Boltt. Thanks for watching.